Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku August 1, 2022 one-star Sudoku. Column E, we have 218. So 218 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Column F, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Second grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 5, 9, 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 6. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Fifth grade, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column F, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Fifth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 9. Fifth row, we have 5 and 9, so 5 and 9 can't come these cell. It will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column F, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Second row also we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. The 8 is confirmed here. Second row and third row we have 8. Column J also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column H, column J we have 8. 9th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in the cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have pair numbers 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. 8th row, we already get 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 8th row, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 6. 7th grade, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 3rd row, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column I, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column H and 4th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Second row, column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Fourth row, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column J, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I, only 1 number are remaining, 3, 3 is confirmed here. Sixth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 9, 6. Sixth row, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells, it will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Sixth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Sixth row, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Seventh grade. And fourth row, we have pair numbers 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Second row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Fourth row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Second row and fourth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Fourth row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Second row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column G, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 7th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Third row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.